Alright guys, I know I usually post computer videos, but since I bought this new camera, I really wanted to try out the audio pickup on it, because I know I made a video of my Jeep stereo before, and it couldn't pick up the low-end bass or any of that shit, or even the bass from my mids in my truck. So I just want to make a quick video to hear how it sounds, and I'll probably upload the video or to YouTube. I mean, you can probably figure that out because I'm talking to you guys. So, in my truck, I'm actually heading to Kitchener to see my cousin. I'm also going to upload a picture of the computer I built for him. So, just letting you guys know what I'm up to today. When I get home, I'm probably going to finish playing, what's it called? Uncharted 2. That game is amazing. I'm so tired right now. Not only am I driving really tired, I'm also filming. So, yeah, don't do what I do, because right now I'm being really stupid. Oh, thank God, red light. I can turn on my stereo quick. Need 2 hands for this. Alright, so anyways, this is just a quick video to hear how the fucking shit, green light, stereo sounds in the truck. So, here we go.
I'm not the baddest. I walk in the club, she wobbling, shaking, I wanna take her to the house. Go players, breaking me, I'm motherfucking bad. I play a pole, goddamn little buddy, touch your toes, goddamn little buddy. Ain't off your clothes, that brown hole. Shout it, slide up and down, that pole, the VIP is high, motherfucker. I like it when she then wait. She rock. Then wait. Then wait. That's it. She rock. Then wait. That's it. She rock. She rock. She rock. Then wait. Her hip. Told y'all niggas. She rock. Her hip. Had a whole world rock. I like the way she rock her hips. She rock her hips. We done did this shit again, man. Hey, Karma. I like the way she rock her hips. If it's
Alright, that should be enough to give me a good basis on how well it picks up audio. Chances are you're not going to be able to hear any of that, because I'm still betting that the bass is too much for the microphone on this camera. Anyways, that's it. Like I said, on my way to my cousin's house, I'm going to make a video of the computer I built them. So keep an eye out for that, and then probably a couple more video reviews. I'll figure out something to do today. Alright, thanks for watching.